State-owned bank BRI has once again held their annual MSME Expo titled the BRI UMKM Export 2025 at the International Convention Exhibition in BSD City, Tangerang, Banten. The expo, which is now the 6th iteration, features 1,000 micro, small, medium enterprises from across Indonesia that have been carefully curated. The MSMEs that are featured encompass a variety of sectors, from food and beverage to handicrafts and clothes. Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs Airlangga Hartarto gave a remark during the event's opening ceremony on Thursday, in which he praised BRI's initiative and reflected on how it is in line with President Prabowo's vision for the creation of more high-quality jobs.
Nah, tentu saya apresiasi bahwa inisiatif BRI ini sudah melibatkan 1.000 UMKM, karena ini sejalan dengan asta-cita Bapak Presiden Prabowo untuk menciptakan lapangan kerja yang berkualitas.
In addition to the MSME exhibition, the BRI MSME Expo also features some informative talk shows which invite various experts and other stakeholders to speak on the current issues within the sector. CEO of BRI, Sunarso, noted that this year's event will also form the microfinance outlook in parallel. This outlook will outline a strategy for MSMEs to face current economic hurdles, both domestic and internationally.
Di Microfinance Outlook, kita berharap dapat insight dari para pembicara yang datang dari para ahli, akademisi, regulator, policy maker tentang situasi keuangan global, ekonomi global maupun domestik. Intinya BRI harus menyusun strategi yang tepat dengan mendengarkan insight dari para ahli tentang tantangan ekonomi global maupun domestik. Dan itulah nanti yang kita terjemahkan menjadi action plan yang menjadi kegiatan-kegiatan yang real menyentuh masyarakat terutama UMKM.
Many business owners hope that this occasion will give them significant international and national exposure to further grow their brands. Ki Agus Aditya, owner of Songket Pas, one of the participants, noted the effort that BRI has invested in helping many MSMEs to grow and develop.
Saya rasa BRI sudah melakukan yang terbaik buat kami para UMKM. Hal ini terbukti kayak sekarang ini kan udah ada lebih dari 1.000 UMKM berkumpul di ISBSD ini untuk lakukan exhibition, dan ini salah satu bentuk komitmennya BRI ya untuk perkembangan UMKM di tingkat nasional. Kami itu pengen Songket Pas bisa dikenal bukan hanya di tingkat nasional tapi juga sampai ke internasional. Dan kebetulan event ini adalah event internasional dan exposure-nya sangat baik untuk bisa memperkenalkan brand kami bukan hanya di tingkat nasional tapi juga sampai ke tingkat internasional.
Furthermore, the event will run for 4 days from January 30th to February 2nd and free of charge. In addition to the exhibitions, expo guests will also be able to catch live entertainment from various musical acts. Crowd favorite pop groups Juicy Lucy and Malik and the Essentials lit up the stage on the expo's first day. Meanwhile, more acts will be featured in the following days, including Sal Priadi, Bernadia, and Tulus, among others. Arya Sidarta and Ferry Ahmad for City Today.